Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. On 14th of March 2022, the Honorable Supreme Court of India, two judges bench, Justice Lav Nageshwara Garu and Justice B.R. Gawai, they expressed concern over the attitude of the advocates filing public interest litigations in which they do not have any concern. The straight question by the court is, what is the lawyer's concern in a medical PG, Neet PG examination? So, while dismissing the writ petition civil number 168 by 2022 on 14th March 2022, the two judges bench, they expressed concern over the adventurous attitude of the advocates in filing the public interest litigations, and in their view they are only publicity interest litigations. So the court thought that the advocate, he wanted to get popularity by entertaining the petition or by filing the public interest litigation so that his name will be published, and since it is the issue relating to Neet, that medical exam, PG examination, then he has misadventured into this domain of the public interest litigation. Friends, in the jurisprudence class yesterday itself, we discussed the exception to locus standi is public interest litigation. Article 32 or 226 of the Constitution of India, they deal with the public interest litigation. That is to say, a public spirited person can bring to the notice of the Supreme Court or the Honorable High Court of Andhra, any state, if there is any violation of the fundamental rights. So it is a reparatory mechanism, the public interest litigation. So please remember, it can be filed any outside person, but only thing is there should be public interest, there should be common interest, there should be general interest of the public. Otherwise, if it is selfish, if you have personal interest, it will not be accepted. So this was propounded by Honorable Justice P.N. Bhagavati during the 1980s. It has become so popular. Now, I'm sure this has become a headache to the courts also, because much of the time is being wasted towards the public interest litigation disposal, and precious time is being wasted. Now, let us go to the details of the petition. Thus, public interest litigation, it was filed by an advocate seeking directions to decide the cutoff marks for the Neet examination 2021-22, and also give a direction that the third round or mop-up round, should not be conducted till this revision of cutoff marks is decided. So this is the plea. Right, Justice Lav Nageshwara Rao, he expressed, who are you? He questioned, who are you? The advocate said that the petitioner is a public spirited advocate. In what way he is concerned? Is his children studying Neet exam, right? They have to write Neet examination? Or what is the connection? He did not write. He is only a public spirited person. So then the judge has clearly stated that it is nothing but waste of time. With the public interest litigations, precious time is being good. There are so many pressing matters. Could have decided those matters. So as an advocate, you must know the present position. So do you know what happened today? So by 11 o'clock or so, the National Board of Examination, they have given the cutoff of 15% marks. Then already the point is decided. So before that itself, they have misadventured. Actually, this public interest litigation, it was placed before the CJI as though there was great urgency. Then it has come to the bench of Justice Lav Nageshwara and Shri B.R. Gawai. What is the great emergency for this petition? Already, do you know that it has been decided by the National Board of Examination? This advocate doesn't know. And therefore, Honorable Court said, come on, are you going to take back the writ petition? Yes, they said not pressed. So this is the incident which happened in Supreme Court. So please remember, the plaintiff or the petitioner, what does he wanted to do with the Neet? Being a public servant person cannot be excused to file the public interest litigation. So before filing the public interest litigation, so you must be doubly sure that whether it is useful to the community. Number two, whether you are personally interested or not. So if you are personally interested, it will not be taken up. So what is your public interest is also you have to tell. So now a situation has come where the pills also will be regulated, will be seen, and they will be committed also. Previously, it was not situation like that. So before filing a public interest litigation, please be doubly sure that it is definitely it will be taken up by the court, and you don't get such a scathing remark that how can a lawyer entertain this, what is your connection, who are you, all these things, unnecessary things, right? Anyway, so please take it as an example and better be careful while filing the public interest litigations. With this, I am going to stop. Thank you very much.